Local trade-in alloy wheels, backup camera, dual climate control, GPS navigation / radio / Sirius / blue, heated seats, memory seats, power sliding sunroof, rear spoiler, cruise control, leather seats, power locks, power seats, power windows, dynamic stability control, keyless remote entry, start. Enjoying more time in your new ride and less time at the gas station with this 2013 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. A Mercedes-Benz with as few miles as this one is a rare find. This C-Class C250 Sport is a local trade-in here to Trading Post, was gently driven, and it shows. Adjectives like impeccable, spotless, and immaculate can be used to describe how clean this Mercedes-Benz C-Class C250 Sport is, causing it to feel more like a new vehicle than a pre-owned one. Treat yourself to a Mercedes-Benz C-Class C250 Sport that's got it all. Nearly every option is packed into this beautiful ride. A lot of car for the money. Give our sales team a call at 828-464-0600 or check us out on the web at www.tradingpostcars.com for more pictures and a live video of this car. Family owned and operated for over 45 years with an A+ rating with the BBB. We would love for you to come be a part of our family.